Hey guys, it's George from GLG Homes and the GLG Realty Group. So, home affordability is a topic that comes up a lot now. And, it does affect just about everybody. I mean, yes, there are those who aren't going to be affected by it at all. But anyway, look, this is one of the things that we get into when we're working with buyers on the Realty Group. We encourage them to look for homes that not everybody's looking at. Homes that need some update, need some repairs, need some attention, whatever it may be. And not because we're trying to be the remodeling partner for them as well. I mean, we do that with a lot of our clients, but mainly because if you're looking for a home and you start looking at ones that everybody's looking at, you're going to continue to find competitive pricing. And if you buy a home, or you look for a home at least, that needs work, not a train wreck, not where you got to take it down to the stud. I mean, where it needs updates and everything, but you can move into it. It's a livable home day one, and these are improvements you can make over time. You don't have to do them day one. Then you gain three things out of the sale of that house or the purchase of that house. Number one, you have a better chance of finding a home because not everybody's looking at it. Number two, you might have the ability to negotiate the price even, because if the house has been sitting on the market for a number of weeks, you may find a seller that's got an appetite to take a slightly reduced price in exchange for getting it off their book. And then number three, when you make those improvements, now let's say that you make those improvements over a period of time because you plan on living in this house for at least, let's say, 5, 7 or more years. Well, when you've made those improvements, you are increasing the value of the home. You are creating what's called forced appreciation. So by making those improvements, owning the home for 5, 7 or more years, you gain equity in the home, you gain the appreciation of the changes you've made, general market appreciation, and at the same time you bought a house that you were able to move into. Again, I'm not saying you're going to love it day one because it needed those updates, but it's a house that you can make your own. You remodel it, whether you do it yourself or you hire somebody, you make it your own, and you get out of the slog of competing with everybody for the houses that everybody's looking at because they look pretty and they're fully done and ready to go. Something to consider. See ya.